GMKtec M2 Pro, the mid-range marvel. Next up we have the GMKtec M2 Pro, a mini PC that strikes an awesome balance between price and performance. It's for those who want a little extra oomph than what the entry-level machines offer, but aren't quite ready to drop a ton of cash on a top-of-the-line rig. At the heart of the GMKtec M2 Pro is an Intel Core i5-13500H processor. This chip delivers solid performance across the board, making it a great all-rounder for both gaming and productivity. Whether you're editing photos, streaming your gameplay, or just browsing the web, the M2 Pro can handle it all with ease. The GMKtec M2 Pro comes equipped with a spacious 512 GB NVMe SSD. Plus, with read and write speeds that are significantly faster than traditional hard drives, you can expect lightning-fast boot times and app launches. The GMKtec M2 Pro rocks an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, a graphics card that's more than capable of handling modern games at 1080p resolution with respectable frame rates. You might have to dial down the settings on some of the more demanding titles, but overall you're looking at a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. The GMKtec M2 Pro boasts 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and a snappy computing experience. You can have multiple applications open simultaneously without any noticeable slowdowns. But what really sets the GMKtec M2 Pro apart is its versatility. It's small enough to fit on any desk, yet powerful enough to handle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who needs a reliable and capable machine, the GMKtec M2 Pro is an excellent choice.